Vivo has just launched the Vivo V60 Lite in 5G and 4G versions in some markets. Now, the brand is gearing up to launch the Vivo V60e in October. The first V70 model has also surfaced in the Bluetooth SIG certification database, which bears the model number V2549. The Vivo V70 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivo V70 could be the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 or Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. This ensures seamless multitasking, strong gaming performance, and smooth 5G connectivity. The Vivo V70 is rumored to pack a triple camera setup. The device may come with a 5000 mAh battery supported by 80W fast charging, allowing a full day of usage with quick top-ups. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.